Thank God it's a Wednesday, September 8, 2021. 108 days na lang, Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007, and I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang financial news po natin ay mula sa CNVRG, kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, ika-8 ng Setyembre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our headlines, courtesy of BDO Securities. For the economic news, NCR stays under MECQ until September 15, pilot granular lockdown deferred. And then inflation spikes to 4.9%, the highest in nearly 3 years. The next bullet is unemployment rate eases in July, but job quality remains a concern. In our sectoral news, we have our main news, CNVRG, set to join FTSE Global Equity Index. And the next sectoral news is SMC signs deal with 7 Bulacan water districts. And MPI to invest 2 billion to link Cavitex and Calax. Arbitrary tribunal denies claim for damages. Then finally, we have Dito Telco unit passes second technical audit. So let's now take a look at our main news, CNVRG from the business world. CNVRG ICT joining FTSE GEIS Small Cap Index on September 18. Listed fiber broadband provider CNVRG ICT Solutions Inc. said on Tuesday that it will join the Financial Times Stock Exchange Global Equity Index starting September 18. Yung Financial Times Stock Exchange is FTSE. CNVRG is the only Philippine company to be added to the small cap index of the FTSE Global Equity Index series in this most recent review. The index inclusion will take effect after the close of business on September 17, 2021. CNVRG said in an email statement. Dennis Anthony H. Uwe, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder at CNVRG, said the company's inclusion in the FTSE Global Equity Index will lead more to exposure to passive and active investors. For Grace YU, CNVRG president and co-founder, the index inclusion is a testament of the company's growth and standing in the country's telecommunications industry. Securities are included in the Global Equity Index series after passing the criteria on minimum voting rights, investability weight, liquidity, and trading history set by the FTSE, CNVRG said. Okay, so we will be looking at CNVRG later. And now let's take a look at the happenings at the PSE and the PSE index. Okay, the PSEI gained 36.68 points or 0.53% to finish at 6949.39. Malakas ng ulan ngayon. Naririnig ko. Napakalakas ng ulan at I think Jolina is just near Metro Manila. Okay, let's go back to the PSEI. The PSEI is actually bullish. Yung indicators natin are under the candlestick at yung formation po niya ng ating indicators are indicators or indication of a bullish trend. RSI is bullish at 62 at sinabi ko na po in the previous episodes na ang ating resistance level ay nasa 70-20, no? Yung nearest resistance level ng ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ngayon, yung ating market summary naman, 90 companies advanced, 84 declined, while 81 or 61 remained unchanged. The all-share index also advanced 0.25%, while the market indices or the sectoral indices, all of them are in the green except one, mining at 0.31% down. The gainers was led by services at 1.19%. Now we'll be reviewing the top stocks that was active in the index. We'll be reviewing those also which figured in the news. So let's review Converge, SMC, MPI, Dito, TEL, MONE, ICT, and LTG. So let's now start our review, the technical review on Converge. So I think bullish to Converge. Yes, it's bullish, but it ended with a red candlestick today at 31.75, losing 25 centavos. However, based on our candlesticks, ay bullish pa rin po si Converge with support or resistance here. Nandito po siya sa level na ito, sa 32. 32 po ang resistance level niya, and I couldn't go further than that dahil wala po akong ibang data. Ngayon, yung support level po niya, ang nearest po na nakikita ko ay nasa 29.30. Now, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Ngayon, RSI is bullish at 72. However, this is already at overbought levels. Pero nakikita nyo po yung ating indicator ay indication po ito ng bullish trend. So yung ating short term is nearest the candlestick, followed by the medium term, the blue line, which is the second nearest, and the farthest away is the black line, which is our long-term indicator, the 100-day EMA. Yan po yung indication of a bullish trend. Tignan naman natin si SMC. Ngayon, si SMC naman, uy, look at that. Hindi naman to breakout dahil, well, there is volume, but it's just a little above average. RSI is bullish at 63. At nasa resistance level na po ito dahil nandito po yung resistance level, nasa 170.90, and the next after that ay nasa area nito, 121. Ano po? Yan po yung nearest resistance level ni SMC, 121.30. So it is bullish as our indicators are already under the candlestick with RSI bullish at 63. And then Metro Pacific, alam niyo underrated itong Metro Pacific. Yung stock price niya is mura pa rin. Pero it's well, it has moved since July, ano? It's settling, it's consolidating at this level. Now, if we will be drawing a Darvas box, dyan lang po siya na gumagalaw, ano po? Pero po, yung ating support and resistance on the short term, 3.90 po yung ating resistance, 3.80 po ang ating support level. But this is just short term. RSI is bullish at 58. Our indicators are under the candlestick. Well, it's bullish to sideways actually yung kanyang movement. Tapos si Dito, who recently passed their second technical audit. Ngayon si Dito is also appears to be sideways to bullish. Yung short and medium term are already under the candlestick. RSI is bullish at 61, pero yung ating long term is just about to cross over. our nearest resistance, nandito po siya sa area to. Diyan po sa 9 pesos. The nearest support is EMA 50, 8.34 or 8.35. So that's for dito. And then, tingnan naman natin si PLDT or TEL. Okay, si TEL is also moving sideways. Support level is nearest po, no? Here, it appears to be consolidating right now. The resistance level nearest is here at 1529, no? 1530. Support is 1450 or 1440. Again, support and resistance areas po to, hindi po to exact points. Yung ating RSI is bullish at 68. Now, it appears to be consolidating right now. Pero ang tunay na pressure po niya based on BDO Securities, kung titingnan po natin si TEL, nasa 1603 po yung kanyang target price based on fundamentals. And then MONE, ngayon si MONE naman ended with the red candlestick. Well, nagkaroon siya ng breakout yesterday with volume, but today ay nagkaroon siya ng red candlestick. Maari nagko-consolidate lang po yung stock. However, RSI is bullish at 59 or almost 60. Support nearest is here at this area at 17 pesos. Okay po. But it is still bullish. And then ICT. Matagal na natin hindi na-review si ICT. Tingnan naman natin siya ngayon. Okay, it had a green candlestick with a little above average volume. This is resistance level. Yan po. Yan po yung resistance level niya. Okay, resistance level is 186.50. And support nearest would be here at 175. So if we will be drawing our indicators, yan po, no? Bullish po siya. Kapareho po ng converge na yung kanyang formation ng kanyang candlestick na bullish. RSI is bullish at 50. And if this will continue, kasi mukhang nagko-consolidate po siya dito, starting dito sa August 6, ano? Hanggang to this point, yung lowest level siya, if you wanted to play the support and resistance, buy on support, sell on resistance, ay tingnan niyo po kung meron pong profit opportunity po doon. Ano po? Okay po. So that's ICT. And then finally we have LTG. LTG mukhang moving na naman uli. Okay, so it's still bearish but it is already moving. Yung short green candlestick here with a lot of volume is an indication that there is movement on the stock in the days to come, ano? Pati kahapon po short green candlestick at meron din po siyang volume. RSI began moving up at 44 pero bearish pa rin po in general ang ating stock. Ngayon po yung year support niya ay nandito po sa area to. Nasa 860 to 870 po ang year support area ni LTG. Yung next, yung resistance po level niya, yung resistance level po niya ay nasa area nito na 10 pesos and 15 centavos. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. September 8, 2021. Stay safe po, meron pong bagyo. At sana po ay malayo po tayo sa sakit. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and bye for now.